Hello, welcome to Barrett Mitsubishi. My name's Tim. I'm one of our sales managers here for the used car department. And today we're going to talk about our 2013 Evoke wagon. So now this is the VF. It is dedicated gas as well. But what we'll do is we'll have a walk around the vehicle. We will go over the condition inside and out and all the options it has to offer, and even give us a look through the service books. So Kyle, I'll have you come a little closer with the camera, and we'll look at the vehicle here. So now this only has 37,000 kilometers on it. So not a lot of real road time for wear and tear, but it really presents well. No stone chips, nothing here on the front. The real nice chrome accents all the way around, real clear projector headlights you see there. Walking around, it does have front park sensors, so as you get close to something they will beep. Looking at the front wheel and tire here, so front tire, really good condition, heap of tread on there. Wheel, great condition as well, no marks, nothing to point out. No real marks on the front guard there, nothing I can really stands out, no chips, dings, scratches, nothing like that. Chrome accent on that little air vent. Side mirror here presents really well, in good condition. No marks down the side of the vehicle either. All the way down the side, really, really good condition. Nothing there. Let's have a look. So, back tire as well. Heap of tread, really good condition wheel. Coming around the back, no marks coming around. So all of your badging here on the back, so you have the Evoke badge, the Holden badge, and the LPG badge. Reverse park sensors as well. Reverse camera up under here. We'll pop the boot here and have a look since we're back here. So this vehicle does come with a full set of floor mats. Our detailers just put them in the back here when they take them out and clean them. Do have the rubber liner, spare tire, everything there. Got the cargo barrier there, and then the cargo cover as well. Tie down straps or anchor points here if you needed to tie anything down to secure it. Everything's in really good condition, nothing scuffed, marked. Looks really good in there actually. So we'll shut that and keep going around. Going around this side of the car, no marks, really, really good condition. This wheel here, let's have a look down here. See, you have real good condition tire, but there is a slight bit of gutter rash just there on the wheel. Nothing really stands out, but there is a little bit there. Nothing there on the back door. On the front door here, it looks like, probably won't be able to see on the video, but it is here. One slight faint scratch there and another here. We point all this out just so there's no surprises when you actually come in and look at the car. Looking at the side mirror on this side, really good condition, no marks. Getting to the front wheel, nice tire, heap of tread, and then just that one little touch of gutter rash there. So that's pretty much it for the exterior of the vehicle. What we'll do now is we'll get inside and have a look at the interior. So what we'll do is have a look under the bonnet. Have the cameraman get a little closer so you can just see how clean this is. Everything's in really good condition, really clean, presents really well. But in our 2013 Evoke VF, like I said, it is dedicated gas, but you do have the 3.6 liter engine, 6-cylinder engine. Going to produce 180 kilowatts of power with 320 newton meters of torque. Does have a 6-speed auto. We're going to get roughly around 11.8 liters per 100. Has an 84 liter tank, so it's going to give you about 712 kilometers per tank of fuel. Now this does have a 5-star ANCAP rating. And has 6 airbags as well. So yeah, it's pretty much that front of there. Alright, so look at the interior of the vehicle. Just like the exterior, it's in great condition. The only thing I could really fault, because you see the door trims, the dash, the seats, the carpet, everything is in really good condition. The only thing I could fault is there's a little bit of wear on top of the steering wheel. Don't know why, but that's the only thing I can find wrong with this entire car. We'll go over all the options. I'll start over here on the right hand side of the door. So you'll see that you do have the power mirrors, so you can adjust those here with the directional pad. Power windows, power locks. your auto headlights, and then you have all the different switches there. Dimmer switch for the dash cluster. Right hand side of the steering wheel, you have your indicators and your high beams. Also a cruise control, so you can turn on, or I'm sorry, no, that's set and clear for the middle there, not cruise control. Cruise control's over here. Left hand side, your wipers, so your rear wipers on the end, front wipers here. On the steering wheel, you have your phone commands, so you can answer, hang up, switch through songs. You can click it in, change the source, or adjust the volume up and down. Left hand side, here's the cruise control. So you turn it on with this button, set, resume, and cancel there. Looking at the middle, let's go to the home screen here. So you have a few options on the touch screen. All of your now playing, your FM, the tone settings, quick info, phone, and Bluetooth. Go over to more. Now, when your phone is connected, you can stream your Pandora through, and that actually brings the app up on the screen. Same with Stitcher. CD player, which is just located here. USB, auxiliary, and the just settings button there, the configuration button. Also have a little bit of audio controls here. So your tune and your menu options. Quick navigate buttons there to go to home, to go to the configure settings, change the source, whatever you like to do. Then volume controls here. Down here you do have dual climate control. So passenger can have their own temperature, driver can have their own temperature. Then your fan speed, direction, air conditioner, or AC button, circulate the inside air, front defrost and rear defrost. You do have the it's automatic transmission. It's a real good condition here, no wear or tear on any of this. Slide it back to drive. You do have the Tiptronic transmission as well that you can pull over into sport. Now you can be in sports mode, or you can take it to a manual and go up and down through your gears there. Electronic park brake, so pull back on this, sets the park brake, just like a handle would. Put it down and it'll release it. We'll turn that back on. Cruise control button here. Park does have a park assist, so it'll help you find a place to parallel park. And then your parking sensors, you can turn those on and off with that button. Inside of here you have a couple of your connections, so your USB and auxiliary and a 12-volt plug-in. Nice little pocket there if you need to store anything. And I'll have the cameraman look over just the condition of the car. Like I said, it is just as good as the exterior. It's in great condition. Cloth's in good condition. Headliner's in great condition, not dirty at all. Back seats don't even look set in. The seat belts look like they've never been moved. It's just a really good condition car. Let's have a look through the service books as well here. So in the service books, they did do the complimentary service at 1,300 kilometers. Next one done at 7,000, then at 15, then at 27, then at 37. It was done at 37,611, and there's only 37,650 on the vehicle. So it's full service history, everything up to date. All right, so that pretty much wraps it up for our 2013 Evoke wagon. Like I said, the car is in great condition inside and out. Just 37,000 Ks. If you're interested in this car and like to give us a call, you can ask for myself, Tim, or any one of our sales staff. The number here at Barrick Mitsubishi is 9907-0555. Thanks.